Hi, fellow friends. Today I don't know where we are, but we are in Antipolo, Bicol. I don't know what we're doing right now, but we're just gonna go around our farms and I don't know. Come on, guys. Let's go with us. Daddy, where's the way?
Where's the way? Follow that way.
This is my first time here. I have never been here. Hi!
I'm the vlogger. Ayan.
Hoy, soy Dora. Where is my map? Where is the way? Left or right? Can't hear you. I'm the map. I'm
good.
the same thing. Just different paths.
We forge different paths in our life. That's what matters.
Yak, may lumilipad! Oh, that's my pet. Don't worry.
That is not your pet! That is not your pet! It's chasing me!
Not.
Sumasakit na yung kamay ko! Ate, ikaw nga sumasakit na kamay ko!
Hi everybody! Hello! Dali, pakita mo yung tangkad mo. Tangkad.
Wow! This whole thing is like a side quest.
It's all mine.
These are all side quests because I don't even know this existed.
I can imagine my horse Maxime here.
Maximus!
Maximo. This is my parents' retirement plan. Daddy's already imagining it.
Yes.
Daddy, I can imagine my horse here. So my horse and I will ride here.
Yung ano yun ni Mami hawak, kaya maasim. Mami, ano yung hawak mo?
Bayabas.
Si Daddy parang statue lang eh.
It's not you.
Bawal ang bayabas mo,
Oh,
mami ah.
dito naman di pa. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ang comfy, para siyang pillow.
1, 2.
Quicksand, quicksand. Charm!
Okay.
Mas bansa naman daw. Ay, may siya mapa.
Para kayo sa mga magazine.
Ayun nga. Okay na.
Ano yan? On a hunt for bayabas. That's what Mommy's doing.
I got more bayabas.
Humans in the wild. That's what it is.
Ang laki.
Time to leave now. Second stop. I'm gonna give you like 50,000 if you can guess what farm this is. Shh. What is it?
Rabbit
What is-
farm.
It's
So
a
I
rabbit
really
farm.
love rabbits. I have a rabbit
I don't
named
like
Frey.
rabbits.
So guys, please buy what do you call those? Cruelty-free products.
Yes. And so don't buy Nivea.
They hurt rabbits. My baby rabbits.
Don't buy Colgate.
Girl, we have cold.
Bro, I only use Sensodyne. I have not used Colgate in a long time. Maybe that's where the bunnies are. Anyways, we're on the second farm. And I can't find Daddy. He went on his own separate way. They say in order to recharge yourself, you have to connect with nature and hug the tree. What I'm doing right now. Because that's your roots.
And you have to eat the fruits of the tree. That's how you connected the nature.
Daddy literally, without saying any word, walked there and we're trying to find him, we're trying to catch him. Okay, thank goodness this part is much cleaner now. Like I can actually see where I'm going. Because earlier that was kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie. Ta-da! This is the second, wait, what do you call this again? The second kubo. Wow, why do I look so reflective here? Did you see that? Like, I look so reflective. Or is that because of the sweat? Daddy is like all the way over there. You see the little man walking. That's Daddy. I don't know where he's going. I think he's gonna scope the farm. But yeah, so that means that me and Kay, we're out here. Oh, there's another one. Wait, I bet. Oh my days, because we're playing like.
It's white and black though. That's not fair.
No, it's white lang. Because we're playing bet. Like, oh, I bet. For me, my bet was like the next car that will pass by is white. And her bet was that the next car that will pass by is black. And it's obviously white. So that means I'll win. But we have more bets though. Anyways, we're out here because we're waiting for someone. Well, specifically, Daddy is waiting someone. But he's all the way over there. And you can actually still see him though. You see that? Man.
The one wearing the hat.
Yeah. Malunggay hot cheese pandesal. Malunggay hot cheese pandesal. I legit almost died. Because I was about to go down and this literally fell. That was embarrassing. Good thing we're in the middle of nowhere so no one saw it. I forgot to mention, but my right slipper broke in the middle of hiking here. Because it could not take all the hiking that we did today. Anyways, what I'm doing right now, I'm just studying for the college entrance exams. So, come along with me, I guess. Tada! We're here in our dad's gas station that we don't even know existed until... I mean, we do know its existence, but we have never seen it ever. I haven't even seen a picture of this.
Fries.
Drinks. Oh, can we share fries?
Okay.
And then I got milkshake. Stopped by a village near the shore. And we bought some... What do you call that again?
Crabs.
Alimasag. Alimasag.
This is what you eat.
Woo! I love myself. Ay! Abot sa... Ano ba yan? Lahat ng... So, we're trying to catch the sunset. That's the sun. And we're trying to catch it. I'm gripping my phone so hard. Your hair? Para ka ng si Naruto. Uy! Look at that! Thank you, Pa! Whoa! Woo! Uy! Umabot ka? Kapit! Yeah. Woo! Wow! I want to all of that. Oh my God! Yeah, this is the view. Siruma, everyone. Siruma. Climb this because we want to know what's on the other side, and we just assume that it's open for public because why else would it be open in the highway? Okay, moments of truth. If this is a view or is it just nothing? Oh, very poetic. I could use this for my CLE project every time they ask for a poetic picture. This is literally straight out of Moana. You can't tell me this is not straight out of Moana. I feel like I'm about to I have crossed the horizon to find you type of shit. But really, it feels illegal to curse around nature. Oh my god. Look how clean this is. And the sand is literally white and it's soft. I feel like I could use it as an exfoliating brush. And this is just the first island. This is the first island. That's crazy. Wow. You can't tell me that this is literally not amazing. Okay, now I gotta get ready for the pictures. Welcome to Carawan Island! Welcome to Carawan Island! Welcome to Carawan Fish!
Ito na, yung pampano, 3.
Poodle fight in Carawan Island. We have, what do you call this again? Pakwan, orange, crab, rice of course, and then the pancit.
May nakalagay yoga mo.
The crab, the fish, the orange, and the mango of course, and the banana made by Kuya. Okay, we've been snorkeling around for like an hour now, and now it's finally time to eat.
Smile. That's it.
Snow? Nuh-uh. It's sand. Bro, it's so soft, I swear. Hi, Daddy. We just finished eating. And we're going rock climbing next. But we're gonna rest.
Baka masipa mo. Sige po, sige po.
Ingat kayo.
Rock climbing!
Angat mo. Sarili mo. Yun. Dumagatak na.
Anak, anak, anak.
Three, two, one, go.
Naghat siya.
At
3, 2,
3, 2, 1, go.
At the peak of Carawan and
Ulit.
Go.
At the peak of Carawan Enchanted Lagoon.
and the mysterious bangus. What is its tail?
Yes.
Ano
Dalawa
kaya?
lang sila.
Ano kaya ang... Diyan talaga sila kuya nag-ano?
Yes po, ma'am.
Meron akong nakitang 2 bangus na parang nawawala.
Yan talaga yung natural habitat nila kuya?
Kasi pwede sila mabuhay sa fresh water saka salt water.
Ba't silang dalawa lang dyan, kuya?
Yeah.
Ba't hindi dumadami?
Yun
They're
nga.
both girls.
Ano po yan, sir?
Balik daw sila, daddy.
Bali itong island na to, sir. Itong National Park ng DNR. Ang bangus na yan, sir, nag-estimated ng 14 kilos ang isa 16 kilos.
Pero pag tingnan natin dito, ang liit lang no?
Dito, sir, pag bumaba pa tayo, makikita mo. Ito, sir, observe nyo na, tatlong sagot dyan.
Diyan sa lagoon,
Oo,
sa tubig.
sa tubig. Kayo mag-observe habang nasa taas na kayo.
Kasi green.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Papasok, kuya.
Daddy, mukha ka na ng Spider-Man, ready to go.
Yes, I'm Spider-Man
We're in
tonight.
on top of
today.
this. See how scary this is?
Oh my god. Oh shit. Hold on. Oh, there we go.
Ayun po yung mga bagong, ano nyo,
Meron kayong
mga bagong trainee. Sige ma'am, upo ka lang dyan, tapos parang pa-slide dyan.
Paano dito?
Yan.
Ako ang model.
Picture Daddy.
Yan.
Hindi ako nagsuot ng tamang sapatos for this.
Upo ka ma'am, upo. Paupo.
Daddy, po ka
Hindi pa naman sabi na, tingin may climbing pa.
Ako, madali.
Yan. Yeah. Papunta po kami dyan sa lagoon. Sila yung
meron
bangus.
din nakakababa dyan.
Meron sir ng ganyan sa triangle na bato.
So, bawal mag-swimming daw, kuya.
Binabawalan namin ma'am kasi naistorbo ang ano,
Ang bangus.
ang bangus. Yan.
Ay, ko.
Dadan. Sabi ko ma'am, wag kang mag-step ng ano muna. Konti-unti lang. Tahimik.
Both female po ba yan?
Yun lang po, di po namin maano kung parehas lalaki.
Kasi hindi mo makita.
Oo.
Bawal mahuli.
Saka ano po yan, may time na kahit gaano ka ano ng high-tech ng phone mo o kaya ng camera mo, yung mga camera na talagang di mo siya makaka-capture.
Super pawis. But, ano sabi mga tickets, hindi na nag-boulder sa MOA, straight to actual real life na. Take a moment to appreciate
Mas
this.
maano. Yung isa parang ano na lang.
Pagod. Hawak kay daddy.
Yeah, mas mahirapan sila pagbaba.
View, merong bangus doon sa gitna. Mysterious lagoon. Anong gagawin? Ano, laking bangus pa ikot-ikot, dalawa lang sila tignan. Kay!
Long enough.
Can't believe I just climbed that. Can you guys believe I just climbed that? This. Starting here up to there. I climbed that with my own hands and feet. That's crazy. Third island of the day. Where, ano tawag dito, Daddy?
Kagbalingag.
Kagbalina.
Sa uri ng kahoy.
Stay. And it's just to chill. Nothing to do much here. Because we're gonna snorkel there. There. Si Daddy pa nag-snorkeling. Minomute niya kami. Anyways, fourth stop. Na...
What is that?
Kuya, nahulog.
Okay.
Alin?
Kukunin daw niya, ma'am.
Nahulog yung pang snorkeling. Fourth stop, snorkeling. Not an island, but a part. Tapos nang ilong. Tapos bagay.
Daddy, seryoso. Kainom ka na. Nan, Daddy, patingin. That's,
Corals, buhay na corals.
oo nga, ang cute. Nak, mauntog ka.
Daddy, pasuot sa akin. Pasuot.
Naglalapit na isda.
Pasaway ka, Ate Kate. Inistorbo mo eh, pinakain na nga sila. Bye, nakita mo? Ah. What's that?
Starfish. Kuya, ibabalik ko na. Ormas.
Ate Kate, saan ka na? Ayaw mo.
Stop 5? Lagos Island, short for Lagusan. Because the fishermen use this as an escape from like waves. Oh wow. Animate!
So this is for Kalyo daw.
Kalyo?
On the feet. So there's a bit of water, there's sand right here.
Ikaw if you make ano, sa ano yun, ocean destruction.
Daddy made this.